Is Southern California Edison app. The pros, the cons. If you're a Southern California Edison customer, this app promises to simplify everything from bill payments to outage tracking, but does it deliver? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just a digital bill viewer. The app allows you to pay bills, monitor usage, set alerts for high energy consumption, and even track real-time outage information. You can also schedule payment arrangements or sign up for budget billing, making energy management much easier. Another advantage is transparency. The app offers detailed charts showing your energy usage patterns, helping you identify opportunities to save. Notifications about planned maintenance or outages keep you informed, so you're not caught off guard. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional glitches with login or bill payment processing. The user interface, while functional, can feel cluttered, especially when accessing multiple features. For those who rely on push notifications, delays can occur during peak system updates. In conclusion, the SCE app is a practical tool for managing your electricity account and monitoring energy usage. The surprising truth is that while it provides real-time insights, occasional technical hiccups can affect the experience. For everyday bill payments, usage tracking, and outage alerts, the app adds significant convenience and control. It's ideal for proactive users who want to stay on top of their energy management.